Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off notification history in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to settings, then go to notification and status bar, and here select notification history. That is select more settings, then here you will find notification history, and here already notification history turned on. Okay, so that you have received some notifications, and that are showing here. So even if you delete the notification history will be available here. Okay, so if you want to turn off this notification history for future notification, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just turn off this button so that notification history will be disabled. Okay, if you receive any future notifications, you will not get recorded here. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off notification history in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.